In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a code from your Authentication app to recover your Facebook account. This is really useful if you have two-factor authentication turned on and Facebook is asking you for a login code. First, go ahead and open the Authentication app that you linked to your Facebook account. Most people use apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or even Authy, and the steps are the same. Once you open the app, you're going to see a list of accounts that you've connected. Look for the one labeled Facebook with your username or email right below it. Next to that account, you'll see a 6-digit code that keeps changing every 30 seconds. That's the security code you need to log in. Go back to Facebook, type in that 6-digit code where it asks for your login code, and then hit Continue. If the code expires while you're typing, just wait for the app to refresh and enter the new one. Once you enter it correctly, you'll get access to your account right away. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Facebook account using a code from your Authentication app.